and cranking. We're milling the different barleys to add to our burping beer.
Cranks? You want to crank so you say you did?
I'll crank it.
Okay. This is kind of like plum pudding, you know, it's a family thing. Everybody's got to stir the pudding.
Yeah. You gotta crank the beer.
Oh, this is like grinding the coffee just before you brew it,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, yeah. We're going to brew it.
The old-fashioned coffee.
Can I see that, please?
Yeah.
Doing the partial mash right now.
Summertime, our footprints fill the path. We're in our tent outside, the breeze blows warm. It's filling up my lungs. Stars will fall from the sky, but ours is too bright and big to do anything but shine. You can take your favorite picture and put it on a wall, and when the season's over, we'll march into the fall.